Kill if we have a matic for wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our friend for bussing.
Big up Ageable TV. Big up Ageable TV. Me no know why they be trying to. You say if you have all a sick to me, brethren, no toe, no buck beside it.
Same so.
Jesus God, me say I have one when me a go to school. You see, Jesus God, every minute me holler. They say you look like you blind now and it now see, right?
That's what they always say.
Yes. So when you buck off and sick it blind now it now see. Jesus God, every minute I hit. Every minute I hit. None of that one about me. I say, the Rasta, what make I write the son to bumbo clock is past the fucking thing that you live on the seat and now. It's just a cool down. It's just a cool down. And just,
if you chip up something some of the time, and a little piece of splinter fly, you know, lick up on your nose, you know, lick in your forehead, that's straight in your eye to go.
God, say me brethren, good and bad, run creation. And then always say, the good is lesser than the bad. Right?
Ever, when you're pitney, are your people then put on pot on the fire? If you cook your teeth out on the food like drop a dumpling in your pocket or a piece of meat, and run go bush go eat it.
Me not reach that stage, you know. Me not reach that stage because me tell you, so me hardly grow in the yard, you know. Right? I 1 month straight, me no cook food in the rasta. Right? Me say me go under the cellar, go sleep one at the time, rain a fall, and me wet up, and me hide go under the cellar. I want to have come under there. And did they blow around me foot a blow and just throw me fast asleep. Jesus God, me say ram a bite na me rascal foot. Me say when I jump up, love, when I jump up, you know, he run to rascal, call him frightened, they can't believe me they dead, you know. Find did I go run me foot long, you know, before he bite it, you know. And he say me no move. Can check more or less. Me say they have jump a bite to me say, God Almighty, I've got you some things. No, me never get fifth through no hot food in my pocket, Rasta. Then there's something there. Me never get to do that, yes, but me teeth out the hot food, yes, sir.
What about drink out? You ever drink out milk like then get the canned milk and pour 2 whole night and use some and left some and then you turn your head and suck out? You ever do that?
If never catch your ass clot, you know, man. What? If never see you, then say, all right. Just drink coffee. Just drink coffee, no. You can't put your mouth on the milk and drink and then I put it back. Eh? You hide that date, you know. You better you just drink coffee. I kill your ass with it now. Right? You understand?
Me a story, you know. You know, good. Me a story.
Yes.
With this youth, you know. Every time my father lives, in him, and so then call him brown man because in complexion light.
Yeah.
So every time his father cook and people come there and his father share some of my food with them, he ball, he don't like it. He don't like when his father share out the food and give nobody when they come there. And him keep on a ball for that. And his father say, all right, you deal with your case, man. And his father put on a cursing pan with yam and dumpling and breadfruit and then put on one other pan with salty. And his father put it in front of him. I say, you see, anyhow you not eat half this, me I beat you. And if you eat half this, me I beat you. So you not no escape, you know. So when brown man eat and brown man eat and him buck and him father say my sweat and him can't go no further. Him father say brown man him can't talk again, you know, because the two him full of food, you know, just whistling could have whistle, you know. Brown man here. Brown man, you are shit. Him can't talk to him bowl and him pack up a food.
My God.
And get all the food on top of it. So find that brown man no do that no more.
Oh, you see what I mean? So men learn by the mistake because anytime people go under pressure, you know, man, in spirit, nah, we really go that road again, you know. If he get good treatment, he will go back. But anyhow, then rush to him. His spirit no want to go back there. So he go and the food thing, the way you talk about. One night time, my brother, Me have some good teeth, you know, man. And me love bone, you know, man. And me say me love bone. And my sister and brother find out, say me love bone. And you don't know where the fucking wicked them do, man. Put them big toe, see me big toe. And say me must give them the meat. And me take the bone. And when they eat the meat, it will walk through them big toe and go through for me and go in my belly. And at that, me give them the meat and them a pack me up with the fucking bone. And me say one night time, the father come and come catch them and do it to me and say, give him back the meat. Give him back the meat, you wicked bitch. You foot can walk 2 foot. Eh? Where we not check him for? And I say when you're young and don't understand, you see my brethren. So, some things take place where when you get big and realize it, no go so. Because imagine, me go to Mount Timus and Ren tell me say, Chappie call me out of Bedwood. When me go to Bedwood, no, another man say, Chappie just gone up on Michael Yard. Me go up on Michael Yard. Michael say, in Ghana Cupid, you know nothing. But when me go to Cupid, and another man tell me, say, in Ghana, I post office. Me and share with the... hey, you see first one we started, I turn me, go turn back and go back and give him... There's a calm fool there, my brethren, and me no understand. And have me, drill me. Oh, my God. And all that sitting there, man. It's stopping now. You know, it's the time get serious now. Too much gun privilege now that they stop them sitting there.
So one time somebody have a time fool there, you?
About 3 times, you know, about 3 times, and then me find out now. Anytime that time they come around, me always conscious of it, but me know when it a come. First of April, something like that. That woman, some man did it. One boy sit down there. And when she start tell the boy how me stay. And when me start talk to the boy, me see one other man come on and say a female woman. And me say, listen boy, how you mean you're a woman? If you get fucked, me I forget you know. You hear me I want you? Remember, most of you is pussy watchman, you know. Right? The woman no concern me and it no concern you. And when you get for your fuck, go on where you going and make me get fucked, you know. No, but that day I watch her and I say, me no forget none, you know, me kill your ass clat, yeah? I say you get me, I forget, you know, boy. You hear me I want you? Okay. Yes,
what make boy people used to love Flintstone house then one and then did some also?
But maybe no one bossing it, but no accidentally cause so my time one night time me and my brother I know master. One goat dead. One goat thing and son dog dead and him. And me and my brother pass. And we are gonna lick down the dog. And master, the first big stone, me go there in front of him. And me say the first big stone the man fling right in my head back to bumbo clot all no and bust up his foot. Me say him frightened and the dog get like, oh God almighty. Me say see my brother. And she a man a call a boy Neyman Johnson. And he no like it. And Neyman take up a rash clot stone and tear it after. And me say, he end up in a one name Andrew head and bust up the whole of the man head. Me say, if you see how Neyman go up on his knee. To him say, do I know you? I know you me one lick. Right. So, bring him fling. And he bust up them blood clot head. Sometimes him not purposely ma fling, but him no, you know. Say,
yeah.
He will look out a line on my brethren, right? So, when people no experience, that's why I don't do like young boy, no, because they no pass through nothing and they no experience, you know, so then we do keep up fuckery, you know. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That
right
ever bite you?
Rascal. Rasta. Wait, you want Niger. Rasta. The same rascal boy when me and him come up there. Me left town and go check Michael and we got a pen and go check one Dread. And when you see we come back, he walk through one shortcut there. Our man yard. And Rasta, me dog back. And the rascal dog no make no sound. Me just feel when she grab up my foot, you know, man. And the dog grab my foot and sink in teeth and run gone. And me say, I take on the man. And me say, me brethren, remember, dog bite is serious thing, right? The man say, me tell them not to walk here, you know. Me tell them not to walk here, so you know. Me say who? Me? And me you tell not to walk there, sir. Hey, you know that boy and me a follow, sir. I told me come from me now. And me a walk with this man. Me no know what I want, and me you tell. If him know, him never tell me. And you dog run down and sinking teeth in my foot. Hey, listen, man. You say if you not give me that bill in my bread, remember it now, go say no. Him man not play hard. And when me say, all right, listen this boy. I told me come from me now. And it now go say no. The woman come out and say, you know what, you better give me Dr. Bill because me no want nothing happen now. And him give me a grand. And me never even go no doctor. Me take one thing we call antidote.
If you downtown one day, or anyway, I used to have a little bag around corner. Or you see it in a road, and when you look through a wall, you see a wall with money in it. You not, you take up it and nobody not see when you take up it. You don't bring it to the police, make them find the owner.
Yeah, you remember again, let me tell you something. You see these money thing and the hard science, you hear boy? You see the people them you see find money and give it up. The poor soul can't do no better, yes sir. In art start leap to rascal, all the mind say if he take that money him dead as rascal, right? That's why you see them bring it in, you know. In frightened, in get afraid to rascal. He say anybody find out, so him find that he know him is a dead blood clot person. So he always a try to take himself out of trouble, which no way some no say. Why? It me brave, you know. God, why they must kill me or they must catch me with you know. But me now, what some money under hard spell nothing. Money under science, you see. Now you see the head them or you see the pan the money. Every one of the man them a dead man, right? And the image of you, them say if you want to see your spirit, look into glass. You see when you look in a glass and that's thinking the way you are look and see yourself, is not you. You is you. You is your person. But me, the book told me, say, if you want to see your spirit, look into a glass. And that's something the way you are look upon. A him, them are talk about, say, are your spirit. Are your spirit that you know, you know. If you take the picture of your spirit and compare him with you, you don't know him different from you. And it's something where you look in a glass and see. If a 1 foot don't have and you see the spirit, 1 foot. If a 1 eye you have and you see the spirit, 1 eye. If you lost your 2 hands and see, so when you look in a glass and see, that's something the way you are see. Remember, you can't tell him go take up the water now. And you have to go take up that grass and then him take it up.
Yeah.
So when you see the image of these man where you see on that money is a big reason why them put pan the money. Cause right now I some hero them where them very intelligent and them highly educated, some powerful spirit. So if you find money, if you don't mind, and you take it, and if you don't know the science, you feel light all a big fire and chew a couple of them in it. That's all when then chop a big fire them a see, right? Then catch your ass, man. When you see a bank, you know, my brother, and rob and get to go with the money, they no normal, you know. The man, them more brighter than all judge to us, you know, and brighter than the police, them. You understand?
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah.
If you find you that take it.
Boy, me have to dead, you know. Them have to kill me to rascal. I would know more. I would know what more fish be brethren. God no car. Me know that stupid and whether if it go cost me life rascal me gone with you know me brethren. God no. Me nah carry it in, you know. Carry no man.
You know. Couple.
Yes.
I think kind of last year why you would find one bag. But I must say it's 50 or 70,000 US dollar.
Jesus Christ.
And the boy can't go get the police. Bring it in for them say I'm a good citizen. I give him good name. You turn in it for them say a good citizen, I give you good name.
All right, you see, we turn into anything. Hold on, me and you see, don't say we're not going to turn it in, but you see, other people, no, if you want, see people turn fool, make certain money hand down to him. Me pussy clot, in turn fool, in walk and give it every blood clot and yam it out and do something and come right back down where he is and then he feel comfortable. But you say if you keep it, eh?
That's where I talk.
Yes, man.
We know of people who win the lotto. And you just say to yourself, when a man win the lotto, he set for life.
Right.
You have some people win some money and them invest and them not broke again. I have some people win some money and in space of no time then they're right back at square one.
Money is problem we put you in a trouble, my brethren, man. Saying it better you know have it a certain money and down to certain people in ton rascal fool because you know what happened? When you have certain money, a lot of people have to have security. I have back and back it in to keep it, you know. Yes. And anyhow, you're simple. And you know, have no back and back it in. A hand and a strong security. Bumbleclot. You fret to us because you know them after you know. Your family after you, friends after you, the government after you. So you turn fool to rascal, you know.
True, man.
You will give every rascal, eh?
If you see a man with a whole heap of money in sleep comfortable when night come.
You must say mad. Listen, why you think the man them with enough money fence tall? And he have some big bad dog. He have alarm. He have license gun. Sometimes he no feel like we stay down at the first tour down a ground, you know. At 3 tour him gone up tears, that's you can't catch him. Pretty poker fret. Cause he want conscience that tell him say him no supposed to have so much with so much people around him no have none. He in a rat trouble where you don't know, you know. Not even food. Him belly full to ras clot and he no eat nothing in a rasta. See him? Yes, man. In belly full and in just a little bit of shit in can eat, you know. Kind of comfortable. Some people may keep telling us anything them buy them if you have a receipt because anyhow you buy nothing from a thief and you buy it with the intention say well then after him. And then when they catch him and him carry them by you, them now left you need I know. Then see a long time you die by bumbleclot thief in sitting you get charged same like him that time you're innocent in umbrella because you know what one you know you think a fee you know. So a lot of man that prison innocently arrested another man beat him to a ass boy. So we like for reason, you know, my brethren, because God knows. Experience teacheth wisdom, brother, right? And when I hear say, when the people, Jesus met blind see, he met dumb talk, he met deaf ear, He will raise Lazarus from the dead. None never do that. None of the way call healer man him never do such thing. You call him, we don't call him no magician. No, magician was in town like him, you know. But when him raise Lazarus, then say him are one of the baddest one because none of them, the man, they couldn't raise the dead, right? This thing is interpretation, right? And you see when them put him and Barabbas, the thief, out there, and ask the people them which one of them then chose, the people them said Jesus too great. They not trust him because him a make blind see and make dumb talk and they kill him and give them the thief. So right now I see it take place, right? Because the people them love thief. No. You will have a woman a buy Igla woman then a buy from thief, you know, right? Mm. And anytime in thief, I like they find out. And I mean buy the things. He start to shield him, you know, and I hide him for them not catch him, you know, right? Mm-hmm. And you see anytime the thief sell him and no say the thief at time him to lick him in a film ras. And you see anytime him buy and the thief get him to him and the thief lick him now. At that time him a run a ball say thief is dead. Thief is kill him. No, when him use all the thief, not a people things. Carry con sell you. You shield him and guide him. Right? Yeah. Now show you where back and belly rat. And twisted fucking sword. And when the thief time him and lick him on the fame ras, now at that time man say thief is dead. Him not for dead before when him take other people things. You fucker, you I say people them stay. Hear me, brethren.